What are you guys eating?
The girls are eating the peas.
You're eating the peas? Those look like green beans. Are they yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Getting your kids to eat vegetables can be really challenging. I've found that it gets a little bit easier with each child. We're on number 4 now. The first one was pretty hard. Usually the hardest age is between 1 and 2, where they start realizing that some foods are better than others and they don't want to eat the ones that don't taste so good, like vegetables. The biggest thing we found is just letting the kids pick their own vegetables. That's made them really excited about eating green things. And they're always rushing out here first thing in the spring to pick the kale as soon as it comes up. It's not my favorite food, but when it's in the garden, it's really exciting, a lot more so than when it's on their plate. Something else we've done is let them take part in growing their own food. They get their own garden areas where they can pick what they plant, and they really get excited about eating that stuff. Evie, can you show me your garden?
Huh?
Can you show me your garden?
All my sunflowers.
This is your garden. Wow, we've got some weeds going on here. What's planted in your garden? Sunflowers?
A lot.
What else is in there?
Kale, tomatoes, and celery and kale.
Kale and tomatoes and celery and kale.
Yeah,
What happened to all the carrots?
I still have some, but
You still have a few? I think you ate most of them, huh?
I still have some back there.
Oh, you've got a strawberry plant in there too.
Yep.
So for the kids, we just get these little grow bag planters. These are, I think, 3 feet across. And we let them plant pretty much whatever they want in there.
I just planted this.
You just planted this.
Yeah, I planted
They
my
come in
garden.
different colors, so each kid can have their own color. And that's just been a big help for us. Something else that we do to get our kids to eat vegetables is putting the vegetables on the table before the meal. A lot of times when there's better things on their plate, they aren't so excited about eating the vegetables, but having that as their only option when they're already in the kitchen waiting for dinner and hungry really encourages them to eat more veggies, and we can get more things in that way. So a lot of times I'll chop up like carrot sticks or cucumbers or something like that. Or we'll put pickled beans on the table. Do you like pickled green beans?
Yeah.
Yeah, are they yummy?
Planted.
These guys can go through a whole jar of pickled green beans while they're waiting for dinner. And we definitely don't have it all figured out. Sometimes they still get picky. None of my kids are very excited about broccoli. That's always a challenge. But they do get lots of greens in. And I also make sure that if we're eating vegetables that they don't like, that I also put some vegetables on the table that they do like, to make sure that we get some in regardless. And dressing is a big help. They like creamy salad dressing, ranch dressing, or honey mustard, Caesar, something along those lines. We usually make our own with mayonnaise. I do have a recipe for that, and I will post a link to that down in the description. That's a lot more exciting for them than like an oil and vinegar dressing or something that you can't really see. Now what are you eating? Peas? Are you eating the purple peas? Yummy. Look, it's purple peas. That one looks like it's a little overdone, huh? Is it kind of tough? Like I said, we definitely don't have it all figured out, but my kids are constantly expanding their vegetable horizons, and I really hope that these tips are helpful to you with your kids.